Hello, everyone. Um, I will say once again, you are welcome to this channel. As you can all see, today's video will be on uh, roof, not any roof, but specifically standing seam metal roof. As you can see on your screen before you, today we will be learning how to create this roof design nicely without any difficulty. What we will be doing is just clicking our normal roof tool that we all know, clicking it, converting it to slope glazing. From there, we will do some one or two alterations to it and we'll get our strips on the roofing sheets. Then we are good to go. So I will plead with you to click on this video and stay tuned so that at the end you also learn how to uh, create this roof type. So from here, let's quick start with today's lesson. So as we all know, we can go ahead and start drawing the roof, but I would like my roof to sit on a wall. So what I will do is I will go ahead and draw or place a wall that will receive the roof. So uh, I will draw my wall. In your case, you may be placing the roof on a project that you are done with, so your wall will be ready for you. So let me make my wall height should be 3,000. 3,000. Let me go to 3D and see. So this is my wall that's ready. Let me go to realistic view, which is here, right? So I, I am in realistic view. So let's go quick start and place our roof. So I'll come here and click our roof. So we click the roof. They ask you which level do you want your roof to be. I will want it to be at the level 1. So from here, I want it to be above 300, 3,000 to be at level 3,000. From here, you make sure you click the thickness of your roof and make it 250. Then you go to OK. Then you said OK. Now you start drawing your roof, right? But I would like my roof to have an overhang, which is the eave projection of 450 mm. So what I'll do is I'll come here, click on this guy, come here, make it 450, right? 450. The offset should be 450. So I click the wall over here, make it 450, 450, 450, 450, right? So from here, the slope of my roof, I want it to be 25. It is either I click over the line and change the sloping over here, or you come to this side and change it in the property tab. So what I will do is I will highlight all of them and change the sloping for them 25 degrees for all of them. So now if I click on the line, you can see that the slope now is 25 degrees. If I click on this one, it's 25 degrees. So that is it. So from here, I mark, I'm done. They said, do you want the walls to be attached? I say yes. So from here, I go to 3D. If you can see, this is my roof, right? This is the roof nicely placed. But this roof, most at times, I've been terming it to be that, okay, this roof, the one that I place now, will be the one housing the Kakasi members. So I have to create another layer for the roofing sheets, create another layer for my ridge cap, right? So what I will do is I will click on this one and come here, copy. After copying it, I'll paste it so that I can do, so for me to duplicate it. So I duplicate it on the same spot. So if you can see, you won't notice that one now, but if you check right now, it is being duplicated. So I'll click one. I make sure I pick one. Then I come here, I edit it. Okay, sorry. So I come here, edit it, duplicate it. So after duplicating it, you give it a name that you want. For me, I will want the name to be like this, the one, the default name that they've given me. I will maintain it. So from here, I said, okay, go to edit. This one, I want the thickness to be what? 50. So that's it. I make it 50. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it is now 50 down there, but I want it to go up. So I will move it up with my arrow keys. So here is it up over here, right? As you can see, rightly see, I move it up a little, right? Who can notice that? This is my roofing sheet. This will not serve as my roofing sheet. But if you can see, if this my roofing sheet, it ends over here. If you can see, let me go around and for you people to see. You see, it is just ending exactly at where the carcassing members will end. Let's say, for example, if the fascia board, there is a fascia board that's being placed over here, and the roofing sheets also stop exactly where the fascia board to stop. That means it will be throwing water to the fascia board, which will make the fascia board, if it is a wooden fascia board, it will decay early. So what I will do is I want this my roofing sheets or the roof covering to overlap the fascia board or the edges of my uh, carcassing members to overlap at least 150 or 100. So what I will do is I'll come here, right? As you can rightly see. Then I come to edit footprints from here. Then I come to right offset. Then there is offset of 100. But I'll make it offset of 150. Sorry. Make it offset of 150. Click here, click here, click here. Right? So I will delete this one and click here and delete this one. So from here, I'll go ahead and I'm done. So now let's see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is now our roof member nicely placed on the carcassing members. So from here, I will click the roof member over here, go to the edit over here and change the material. Let's see, I want the material from here. I want a nice material for it. So let me click maybe this one and come here, select a nice material for it. You go round, look for, let's say I pick this guy, this red, said okay, okay. You see, let's see, we pick this red material. So as you can see, our roofing sheets, this is our roof covering placed on our roof carcassing members nicely there. So what we will do, this will be serving as the roofing sheets, right? But we want what's the name? A ridge cap on our roof members. So what we will now go ahead and do is to click this, copy it, and paste it again nicely over there, right? After pasting it, what we'll do is we'll click and move it up also. So now, as you can see, we move it up using the arrow keys. So from here, you could see that there are two. So this, the down one is the roof covering, which is the roofing sheet. Then the top one will be the one that we'll use for the ridge cap. So let's go ahead and edit our ridge cap quickly. So I click this guy. After clicking it, then I move to the top. Make sure I move to top over here. Go to edit footprints. So I am now in uh, modifying mode. So from here, I still want to offset it by 150, sorry, 150, right? I offset 150 all around. So this, the sloping where we want to place our ridge caps, we will come and offset them 150. Offset all of them 150, 150, 150. Right? From there, we pick split two. Then we will split the edges line, split these guys, split this guy, and split this guy. So from here, we will trim to an extent. So we come here, trim to an extent, trim this guy. From here, we trim to an extent. We trim all to an extent, right? As you can all see, trim them to an extent. We trim all to an extent. We trim to an extent. So from here, what next? You highlight all the lines that we draw now, and the slope that has been attached to it, the slope defining, we'll go and define the slope so that it won't be in any slope, they won't slope to any angle. So we'll define the slopes, we'll undefine the slope, leaving the the main edge lines, because this one we still want the slope to be active. So we still want these guys to slope to that end. So we leave them as it is. So from there we tick. So if you can see now, our ridge cap is now ready on our roof. So who can see this? So if you can see, our ridge cap is nicely on our roof. As you can see, this is our ridge cap nicely placed on the roof. So from here, we will quickly go ahead and continue with our drawing. So from here, this guy, we will still click on this guy and copy and duplicate it. We will still duplicate it, because now before we are coming to edit the strips, then from editing the strip, so we will come here, we will copy and paste, right? We copy and paste. From here, you select one and you use the arrow key to move it up as usual. So after moving it up, we'll click on our ridge cap and move that one also up a little for now. As you can see, we move it up a little. So this is our roofing sheets. Then this guy on top is the one that we are going to use for our long strips. So we click this one. After clicking it, then let's move it like this. So as you can see, we highlight it. So this one, we will now convert it to what? Slope glazing. So we come here, convert it, we pick the slope glazing at the down over there. So as you can see, it is now activated to what? The slope glazing. If you can see the slope, the glass sign that on the roof over there. So it is now activated to slope glazing. So now, after it is now activated to slope glazing, this is where we are coming to do our alteration. This is where we will come and do some changes to get our strips on our roof. So from here, still in the slope glazing mode, we will come here to edit. Then you will come here. This one, you make sure it is none. Then this one, grid one. Did you want layout for grid one? Yes, but we want to use a distance, fixed distance. The interval between each of the strips should be what? Let's say we should do a 300 between each of the strips. So from here, grid 2, do you want it to be activated? No. So we come here, grid 1, mullions. Do you get it? The mullions of grid 1, the interior ones. We will come here. Then which one do you want? We want the 30 mm squared mullions, right? We click on it, then we come to apply. Wait small. As you can see, it is applied nicely on top of our roof for us. So as you can see, it is now applied on top. But if you check, you will come here, if you check it, you see that it is still hot down. So let's still go back to the edits. We come here, this one, let's change it to the 50. No, let's just leave the 30, right? Okay, then let's move it up a little. Sure. Then our reach cap should come down also from there. So as you can see, this is our uh, standing seam metal roof, readily done and nicely placed over here, as you can see. So this is our roof design. So from here, someone will say how to place a facial board and roof gutter as normal. It is easy. So let me go ahead and place the facial board and the roof gutter. But most at times, I've been advising people that whenever they are coming to place a facial board, if the roof is still on it, maybe you coming to place the facial board, you may your mouse will deceive you and click the edge of the roofing sheet, which will make the facial board to flash with the roofing sheet. Whilst you want it to flash with the carcass, the edges of the carcass members. So what you do is you go ahead here, make sure you hide your roof, your roofing sheets, hide in elements, you hide it, you click this one also, hide in view elements. So we are left with only the ridge cap and hot, the carcassing member, the one that will house the carcassing. So from here, you go ahead and place your facial board. But before you place the facial board, you have to come to the roof. When we pick the roof to, the arrow under it, you click on it, you come down to what? Facial. Then you click the facial. But in so many ways, you have to come to edit, you duplicate it to what you want, but I will go ahead and place. From here, we have and click the one that we want. Then we click this one. We'll come to the material that you want, the look that you want on your facial board. You click it, then you will go ahead and place your facial board. You said okay, so you go ahead placing your facial board nicely over here, right? Okay, now our facial board is nicely placed. So from here, we will go ahead and place our roof gutter. So we will come here, click the arrow again, come to roof gutter. You pick gutter. From there, you go to edit again, the gutter that you want. Which of the gutters do you want? I will still maintain the default one given to me. We will click the material. Which material do you want for your roof gutter? So we click this, we go to this guy, then we pick the material that we want for our roof gutter. So let me use this material for my roof gutter. I've said yes, let me use this for my roof gutter. So after selecting material, I said okay. So from there, I click and place my roof gutter nicely. So as you can see, uh, my roof gutter is now being placed. Placing my roof gutter. I think I move out of that. Sorry. place roof. Oh, okay, sorry. I want to place gutter. Go back to the roof gutter. Sure. So place my roof gutter nicely. So I am done placing my roof gutter. As you can see, my roof gutter is placed nicely. So from here, I go ahead and hide my guys. So you come to here, hide, reveal the heights, then you hide them. Click here and hide. Click this guy and hide it also. And we move to this guy. So as you can see, um, within these few minutes, I was able to uh, design my roof, place the ridge cap on it, place fascia board, and I was able to place what, a ridge cap. So this is how our standing seam roof, metal roof, is being designed. So nicely, maybe in case this design, the color of the strips, you don't like it, you can go to the families down here, families, then you edit it. You go to the slope glazing family, then from there, then you edit it. So basically, that is how you can go about with your roof uh, members if you are working with long span aluminum sheet roofs. So I will end today's video over here. But please, I will like or request from everyone to please subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button so that anytime I create a new video and I post it, you will be the first to be notified. Please and please and please, this channel is a new channel and we are just starting with the magic. So I know you like the video and I know you want more of this to keep coming. Please comment in the comment section. If you have a problem in Revit, there is something you are not understanding and you want me to create a video about it, you want me to explain it in a new video for you, please comment in the comment section and I will do you the honor by creating a video about it